Hola! It's Spanish time! My name is Zlata and I will guide you through this beautiful language and Hispanic world. Join me! Welcome! Bienvenidos! Hola! Today we're diving in one of the crucial parts of Spanish language. Adjectives. Adjetivos. Why crucial? Because they're like the spices that give flavors to the sentences. What do I mean by that? Well, adjectives describe the nouns that we're using, making our conversations more colorful, interesting, and more natural. So let's get started straight away. Vamos! As I already said, adjectives are a type of words that give us more information about the nouns, such as size, shape, color, emotions, and more. Por ejemplo, pequeño, rojo, cuadrado, triste, etc. They're essential for proper and more advanced conversation. Dame el libro. ¿Qué libro? Dame el libro azul. One more thing about adjectives in Spanish. They agree in gender with the nouns. If our noun is of masculine gender, we have to use an adjective of masculine gender as well to describe it. And the same goes for feminine gender. Por ejemplo, vestido rojo. Vestido rojo. O falda roja. Falda roja. And as you may have noticed from the same examples, the adjectives in Spanish language come after the noun. Of course, as it's always the case with the grammar, there might be some exceptions, such as adjectives buen o mal, por ejemplo, buen hombre, mal hombre, which would come before the noun, but not necessarily. So you could also say hombre bueno y hombre malo. If you are using the adjective before, you notice it gets shortened this O. Buen y mal. And of course, buenos días, buenas noches, but that's a greeting though. Although that's a greeting, but it still describes that you're wishing somebody good day and good night. Try practicing a bit by describing things you see around you. Maybe you have a cat and you will say, mi gato es pequeño. O mi gato es blanco. O en medio de mi cocina tengo una mesa grande, pero en mi sala tengo una mesa pequeña. O este jersey negro te queda muy bien. O Mario es triste hoy. O Mario es cansado. Tengo una idea excelente. Learning new adjectives will build your vocabulary in an amazing way, and it will inevitably give you a nice sparkle to your conversations, and you will sound more like a pro. So make sure to learn new adjectives. Here are some of the examples.
Adjetivos calificativos. Bonito, cute. Feo, ugly. Amable, polite. Listo, smart. Alto, tall. Adjetivos numerales. Aquí podemos usar ambos tipos de números, cardinales y ordinales también. Así que primero, segundo, tercero, cuatro, etc. Y también 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Y otros como doble. Mi, tú, before the noun, mío, tuyo, after the noun. Nuestras, nuestros, suyos, suyas. Esto eran adjetivos posesivos y ahora adjetivos demostrativos como este, esta, esto, eso depende del género, ese, esa, eso, aquel, aquella, aquello, también en plural, estos, esos, aquellos, etc. Ahora adjetivos indefinidos, tales como muchos, muchas, bastante, algunos, algunas, también ninguno, ninguna, ningunos, ningunas. Todo esto en singular y en plural también. Y ahora al fin adjetivos relacionales, personal, español, educativo, social, familiar u otros, muchos otros.
This is all for today. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like it, comment, share, subscribe, follow Spanish Time on Instagram and Facebook, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Until then, adios!